Hi everyone, I am making a pot, probably to stand my plants in, but I'm making it decorative all over just in case I decide not to go with the plants thing. I wanted black and I wanted gold on the surface. So the gold, as you can see, I've turned the pot inside out and just painted the gold leaf everywhere. It's gold gilding flakes, and these are the ones from Spectrum Noir, which as you can see are very, very shiny. This is them. I got them from Crafter's Companion and I managed to get them when they got a deal of 3 pots for a tenner, which I think was quite remarkable, or £5 each. Having said that, they're not expensive anyway really, because you get a lot in a tub. They do them in assorted colours. You've got all of the metallics, including a beautiful rose gold and purple, pink and all sorts. Anyway, all I'm going to do now is mix up some resin and chuck it in. So this is a real quick easy make. I'm going to use my Apex high gloss resin because that will cure beautifully at this sort of depth. It'll be nice and sturdy for a pot and it'll degas easily, and I'll show you just what we end up with when you just put gilding flakes on the outside of black. So really simple, quick make, quick video, quick results. Let's do it. So I've got my resin in the pot. It's a 1-to-1, nice and easy to mix as a result, and it is a regular sort of viscosity look, like so, a bit like treacle. And it is a resin that cures in about 20 hours. I've demoulded a lot sooner than that, to be honest, if my room's warm. However, probably just leave it till then to be on the safe side. Leave it till the morning, which will be more than 20 hours probably, because it's morning now. It'll be more like 24. So I'm just going to carry on stirring. I'll be back with you in a moment. Right, the pigment I will be using to turn this resin black. By the way, I know there are firms, Let's Resin, do want it an already black resin. However, it's so easy to mix, I haven't bothered getting any. Now I'm just going to use my lovely black pigment, which you can tell by the state of the pot how much I use it. It's from Just For You Online. So I suppose you'd be missing out this messy stage. My pot has got messy. If you did want to get an already black resin, but personally I prefer to just get the clear, because then you can make it whatever colour you like, can't you? I did think about using polyurethane for this, but I haven't got that much black polyurethane left. And to be honest, I do like the finish you get on epoxy. Right, now if any of you are thinking, blimey, you should clean those gloves up well, yes, it's a fresh pair. To be honest, it's only got that bad because this is a pot that I've been using a lot and I've got really messy. I need to clean the pot more. So just going to mix that in. Because it's a pigment paste, the colour is very intense. You don't need much. And I don't mind if this ends up being almost like a smoked finish rather than jet black. But I think that is going to be a pretty solid black. So I'm just going to carry on mixing, make sure I've got it all mixed in there. I'm not sure whether I've mixed up enough. If I need to make a bit more, I'll go and do that. But what I wanted to do was kind of fill it part way up and let it settle and see how full that makes it. And give it a little bit of a squish and a tap, because I want to make sure I haven't got any bubbles stuck down in this rim. Now obviously if you do this too much, you're going to end up splashing your resin everywhere. And this is why you don't want to wait till it's completely and utterly full. Having said that, it's darned close. I'll put you the link for this little pot, for the mould for it, in the description below, and the resin and the pigment and like everything. Just so if you fancy making something similar yourself, you know what to do. I might make a matching one in white and silver next. I don't know. Yeah, going to need to mix just a smidge more. So I'll top it up and then I'll see you in a few hours for the demould. This is, where are we? About 8 hours, I think. So it might be slightly soft still. Probably should be wearing gloves. Oh, going to be some serious hand washing shortly. Doesn't feel soft though. Oops, hang on. And the way to, oh, look at that. The way to take out a, you know what, that's an interesting timing thing. Sorry, I've gone off at a tangent here. That's an interesting timing thing for maybe making, you know, the bowls where you mould them up. Yeah, I need to try that. Anyway, a thing for taking out any mould that's got like a centrepiece and you're tugging away and you're messing. This is how you do it. Squish it, twist, doink. Now look, that is all out of shape. Watch it. Watch it move. It'll just sort itself out. Now I'm just going to leave that overnight, but look at that. I am pleased with that. That is pretty. Look how shiny it is. Okay, cheap mould. I'll put you the link for that below. Apex Resin, the high gloss, which is your general all-purpose resin, 1-to-1. Takes 20 hours to cure solid, but look at that. Yeah, look. Ooh, isn't that fun? Isn't that lovely? I don't know whether that'll end up being something to sit my plants in, or whether I'll end up, you know, putting my crafty kit in it. I don't know, but it's just lovely. Yeah, I'll do some more of these because these pots are just too useful for words. There we go. Hope you like this one. It's the quickest, easiest, simplest, loveliest video. Nothing complicated. I hope you like. Now, if you did like it, of course, you know where the like button is. You know how to subscribe. There's a membership scheme as well, with loads of free downloads and cute little perks. So click something. Really appreciate your support. Thank you so much, everybody. The biggest support you can give me is watching these videos and commenting and clicking that like. That means the world to me, and it does make a big difference. Anybody who's able to subscribe and join the membership scheme and donate via super thanks, buy me coffees, all those sort of things, you are amazing. You helped make this even more possible. So thank you. I'll see you for the next one, everyone. Bye.